In today's video, I'm going to review floor mats for my Hyundai Elantra N from Lasfit. Lasfit was kind enough to supply the products for this review. They've offered no input or put any restrictions on me that would influence my review. Lasfit makes mats to fit both the automatic or manual versions of the Elantra N. You have three options when ordering your mats. You can choose to order the first and second row mats, the cargo mat, or all three together. I was sent the full floor mat package, which contains 2 front mats, 1 rear mat, and a trunk or cargo mat. I will have a link to the products shown in this video along with a discount code down in the video description. Lasfit uses 3D scanning technology to be able to achieve perfectly form-fitted floor mats for the Elantra N and other vehicles. The mats are made from a TPE material that has a nice rubberized feel to them versus other mats that feel like a piece of plastic. The all-weather design helps to protect your vehicle from rain, snow, and mud. Finally, because the mats are made from a rubberized material, they are easy to clean. I live in southern Indiana where we just experienced one of the largest snowstorms that we've seen in a long time. This seemed like the perfect time to install these Lasfit floor mats. I've also recently moved, so I had to transport my dogs in my car and haven't had time to clean the inside out. As you can see, my carpeted floor mats and even the carpet under the floor mats are full of dog hair and dirt. This is where, if I had had all-weather floor mats in my car, my OEM mats and carpet would have been protected. Upon opening the box for the mats, all the mats are covered in plastic and come with installation and care instructions. The model number for the set of mats is XS-HY22A and will fit 2022 to 2026 Hyundai Elantra N vehicles. Installation is very easy. Remove the factory floor mats. For the driver's mat, turn the 2 locking points to where the indented area is pointed towards the seat. With the mat raised at an angle, install the 2 locks onto the factory mat hooks. With the hooks installed into the mat, lay the mat down. For the passenger side, there are no locking hooks, so you only need to lay the floor mats in place. You may notice that the mat doesn't lay perfectly flat around the floor. You may need to give the product some time to warm and soften inside the vehicle. If you're installing the mats on a warm, sunny day, you can lay them in the sun for a bit to warm up and return to their normal shape. I'm installing them fresh out of the box in freezing temperatures, so they've had no time to warm up and return to their normal shape. The rear mat is a one piece that covers the center transmission hump. The rear mat came out of the box a bit curled and had to be pushed down into place, but once down, it fit perfectly in the back floorboard. Finally, the rear cargo or trunk mat. This is the one that I was most interested in trying because the factory mat doesn't fit the N model perfectly due to the performance bar. The Lasfit mat, on the other hand, fits perfectly. I wish I had this mat from the beginning. Not only does it have a great fit, but it also helps keep my sub from moving, which is a nice bonus. As for my impressions after using the mats during this recent snowstorm, 1, I really like how they feel. It may not matter to everyone, but I like how my feet don't slip while getting in and out of the car. I can't say the same for other all-weather mats that I've used in the past. The material Lasfit uses give the mats a premium feel. 2nd, I like how all the mats fit each area of the car perfectly. 3rd, they've done a great job of keeping all the dirt, snow, and dog hair off my car's carpet. Finally, for the price, they rival what you can get from Hyundai or from other floor mat companies. If you're looking for all-weather mats to protect your Elantra N or other vehicle, check out Lasfit's website and purchase a set for your vehicle today. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more content.